Samsung has some exciting new devices planned for us in 2020 as a part of the A series which came in 2019. Samsung A52 is a follow-up to the existing A51 and the A50. Samsung A52 is a budget smartphone with 6GB of RAM and exynos 9 9611 chipset. In this video, we will discuss about the latest leaks of the Samsung A52 smartphone. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A52 sports a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display along with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. Like its previous models, there is a bezel-less display that gets a water drop notch. It is expected to come with a plastic frame and a body, along with Gorilla Glass 3 covering the front. A rapid question: what chipset do you think will fit inside the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra perfectly? The Snapdragon 865 Plus or the exynos chipset? Let me know in the comment section down below. Moving on, Samsung Galaxy A52 is powered by a Samsung exynos 9-octa 9611 chipset. Samsung has retained the chipset from the A51 to cut down on the cost of the phone. To boost the efficiency of the device, it has an octa-core processor that is composed of a 2.3 GHz Cortex A73 quad-core and a 1.7 GHz Cortex A53 quad-core setup. Basically, this phone is a duplicate of the A51 with some minor changes. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, take a moment to destroy the subscribe button with your love and support. For the graphics, it has the Mali G72 GPU to ensure lag-free multitasking and gaming experience. The smartphone is well equipped with a 6GB of RAM. We all know that this phone will have the latest Android 10, but we have not received any leaks about the UI which it is going to use. To power up the smartphone throughout the day, this device houses a 4000 mAh battery which supports fast charging. Coming to the camera aspect, the smartphone comes with a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel wide angle lens and a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and the last 5 megapixel depth sensor. There is a 32 megapixel lens with water drop notch to add style to the phone. There is an on-screen fingerprint sensor and an earphone jack as in other mid-range devices. Samsung Galaxy A52 price in India is expected to be Rs 20,000. The official details about the launch date has not been out yet, but the rumors suggest it might hit the market by the end of August. To be precise, on August 26th. Samsung A52 might come with two variants, 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage or 6GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. No talks about the color of the Galaxy A52 crawled to the surface, but I think it will be available in black and gold color. While the A series might not be as popular as the M series in India, this phone could bring a change in the views of people. If you want to know more about the M series phone, click on the I button above. With that being said, we have reached the end of today's video. Feel free to drop your opinions in the comment section and subscribe to my channel to get updated with my future videos. Until then, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.